Generally living Paris is, we all know, the mountains, the roads, and the countryside, that fresh air, in the mornings, going to work. Mostly now is working from home anyway. So the environment and my work colleagues as well, helping each other. There's a very good, teamwork within my team as well. So there's no any jobs that is big and there's no any jobs that is small. We all work together. They can find a way to fit your life into the job. If you've got childcare issues, that could be worked around on. If you're looking after someone, providing care to someone as well, that can be looked into. So there is flexibility. It's just a matter of talking to your supervisor or your manager. Then they can tailor-made, your working pattern according to the needs of your family.